80%, 90%, and therefore people did not pay taxes. That's a bit different now. So again, I'm trying to put perspective to this. We look at about 8 crore income tax returns that are filed every year. That's imagine accounting for about 6% of India's population. So of that, less than half actually pay taxes. Now that's because the tax slabs have genuinely incrementally gone up. So people are filing income tax return, but their next net tax receipts are nil. The system of paying taxes has become a lot easier, direct taxes. When I filed my tax returns this year, I got my refund within 15 minutes. I couldn't understand what happened. It was a very small amount of a refund, but tax return filed, stepped out, got a message, your tax refund has been credited. So the system of paying taxes has become a lot easier. But Alok Mehta, the genuine grouse and frustration remains. And the frustration is on this point that less than 2% of the people, and that's all of us, are paying for 1/4 of what Nirmala Sitharaman is hoping to earn this year.
Very good morning, Rishabh ji. I think this is the main problem about even the woman. You see, in the middle class, the woman, if you get some fixed deposits, because when you are getting some salary or salary of the family, and if you have some fixed deposit for the future, especially for the elder people, I would like to mention the number of women, they always cry for this, that again they have to pay on their fixed deposits. You see this kind of tragedy. First you pay from salary, when you deposit something and then you get some interest is going down. And agriculture land, you are talking about only the farmers, big farmers. We are talking since last 50 years about this. But now you see the farmers who are also farmers. You know, number of, with all regards, because there are our guests also sometimes, the legal experts and even the medical practitioners. I visited number of people and I know the friends also in a legal circle who just say, okay, this is my agriculture income. They get, and still you go to doctors, physicians, normal doctors in the middle class or the poor people, they ask money by cash, even in our digital revolution. If you are ill and you are going to doctor and they say, okay, you have to pay 500 rupees or 200 rupees, you have to pay. These kind of people, they are also not paying tax. This is the tragedy, because the system, when you have digital revolution, at least for the agriculture also, if you have earning more than 50 lakhs, at least they should have tax, or even 1 crore. You see, I know people who will not pay single pie, and they have big lands, including few top editors of India I know who are now retired, but they have their own company and they are earning also by land, farming, and they say, okay, we have the agricultural income. That's why I'm saying it's a self-criticism should be there, and I think the Nirmala Sitharaman ji is from an academic background. She also must be knowing JNU pension. Almost the whole budget goes to the pension people. And then what happened? For the education, we are suffering. You know, sorry to say, it's just a diversion. But the Trump is saying, okay, we all to close the education ministry. Here we have to spend more money for the education, for the large new education policy or health policies. Everybody expect, okay, we will want insurance for 15 lakhs or rebate in good pre-hospitals. What kind of hospitals you will provide when you are not paying tax to those people? And the people who have a trust, on the name of the trust, they have a hospitals and they get free, everything free for their own people, for their family members, get machines from out of the country and then say, oh, they are not paying tax. These kind of loopholes are there. But because of the system, sorry to say again, not everybody, there are a number of very good officials, honest officers, but the bureaucracy also dominate in this system, and the politicians who also have the
but Alokji, the loopholes. Yeah,